You survived the hailstorm, but your roof didn't. Hail hits your shingles at 100 mph and creates invisible microcracks. You can't see them from the ground, but water finds them immediately. In Texas alone, hail causes over 1 billion in roof damage every year, and most homeowners never even know until the ceiling starts leaking. Your insurance may cover 100% of the repair, but only if you file before the deadline. Get your free hail inspection today, link in bio. Don't leave money on the table.